Right, 1-2, testing 1-2. Just having a look round Arnside. Come here many times over the years. It's really nice. Austin 7. Very nice. Beautiful car. Just having a look around the pier. It's a beautiful place, this. Extreme danger. I think we just missed the boar coming in. Very fast tides round here, very, very fast. Kent estuary. Yeah, it's all looking very nice here. English flag flying there. See all the whirlpools, which I'll show in a minute. Well, it's quite windy. See the just testing that microphone out. So it's got that's the what's it.
We're just going to the shop.
Okay. Wow. Very windy. Be careful there. Very windy tonight. Very warm breeze. We've got all that tidal currents swirling around. Post office, cafe bar next to it, the old bank, the old night safe. This may have been on that West Bank at one point, small sub branch. Got these small little alleyways which quite nice to walk up. Yeah, very nice. Very clean inside. Old building there, an old shop. Beautiful structure that. That looks like it's been an old cafe or something, I don't know, or maybe a furniture store. I think there was an art gallery up here. I've just come to the end of the housing area and just come across this nice field. Wow. There's a cricket pitch down there. Never realised this was here. Really nice. Some benches. Got a bowling green down there as well. Beautiful bowling green. The hut. I never realised this was here. I've been here loads of times. Just thought I'd come up these other side roads I've not been up before. You can see that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful that. parking further down this footpath. I've actually took today off. I should be in work today, but I've just cancelled my job and came out today because the weather's so nice. I thought I'd head into the Lake District, Arnside area, and then we'll head off somewhere else. We've just had something to eat in a place called Holgates, and that was superb. Let's have a look at the station. Just missed the nuclear flask wagons, which have two class 47s normally, I think, with two nuclear flask wagons in between. We've got a beautiful footbridge cast iron, it's absolutely beautiful. And the old station building and shops. Get across here now, have a look. Have a quick look at the station. With its traditional signals, very well kept. It's on a camber, it's on a curve and on a camber, the track. So when the carriages come in, they're on a slight camber. Beautiful. Just annoyed that I missed that train then. Let's have a look. The old lattice ironwork. It's a nice view. Very nice. It's only a small footbridge this, but it's so beautiful. All the ironwork on it, it's all been made to last. Let's have a look down the other side of the platform. Beautiful. Ticket office. Let's have a look around the back of this a minute. We've got some car parking, some picnic tables, toilets or something by the looks of it. And we've got the estuary. Let's have a quick look around there. Oh, office and information. Oh, it's all been well kept. Oh, it's beautiful. What part of the coastal walk there, and go along the coastal paths that run along here for miles and miles. Oh, look at this. 1857 it opened. And it's very windy. So we got the end of the platform. Some rails, new rails, which obviously have just been put aside there. You can get a beautiful view. The surrounding area and the coastal paths. Absolutely stunning. famous Arnside chipper. It's got its own little electric chip delivery vehicle. This chip is really good, well worth a visit. They used to have, I'm not sure whether they have still got the sitting down area. No, the sitting down area has been shut since COVID. And what a shame, they shut it down and they never opened it up again, and you could go in and get served dandelion and burdock and fish and chips. Well, what a shame. That's the main chip is still going, but the seating area is no more. Got a little collection well for money towards the keeping of the area. A nice little set of shops there. Convenience stores, barber shop. This manicured grass area, which is nice. Some beautiful flowers. Nice view of the viaduct in the background there. It's an old pub. The old Fighting Cocks have been in there a few times over the years. There's a few nice pubs in Arnside if you want to get something to eat. Tide's fully in now. Very, very dangerous tide and sands, sinking sands. You don't go walking out there at all. Ever. The old customs house for Arnside Harbour, fishing boat area many years ago. That used to be an old junk shop for decades, but it's gone now. And there's Arnside Sailing Club house. You can have a wander in there when it's open. Seafront clock. I've got to get back because I had a right old wander, and they'll be waiting for me. I'm moving on from here now. It's just a very, very pleasant little tiny old fishing village.